Everybody, and welcome to our 7th activity of today. Today we're going to get down in the slime and try and excavate that with some magnets. And please, further on the details, Teacher Aaron.
All right, well that is correct. We do have some slime here we can see. We made our slime using just some glue. And we also included some iron powder into the slime, which you can see is those little black spots. When we bring our magnet around the slime will be attracted to the magnet. And if we're lucky, we'll be able to suck out the iron powder onto the magnet and separate them. What do you think about all that, Darren?
Well, I think it's great that they're using magnets at such a young age because they're all around the world basically, in things that you don't always see and that quite often we take for granted. So,
It is good.
let's get dirty and slimy, boys and girls.
All right, let's get our hands dirty. You ready? Yeah? All right, let's get magnetized.